Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a simple, healthy and delicious recipe for a guilt-free oat and carrot cake. Now this cake is perfect if you're on a diet or just looking for a healthier alternative to regular cakes. And guess what? It's made with only 3 main ingredients: oats, chopped carrots and almond milk with just 30 calories. Now let's get started. Welcome back, guys. First, pour your oats, chopped carrots, and almond milk into your blender. We're keeping things simple and clean, so make sure your measurements are just right. You can find the exact measurements in the description below. Now blend everything together until it's smooth. The key here is to make sure the mixture is thick and not too watery, so don't go overboard with the almond milk. Next, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, grab your baking pan and spray it with a bit of oil. I'm using Pompian Keto Blend extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. This is a healthy choice that adds a nice flavor without any guilt. Go ahead and pour your mixture into your prepared baking pan. By now, your oven should be perfectly preheated to 450 degrees. And now it's time to bake. Place your pan in the oven and let it bake for 45 minutes. After baking, allow your cake to cool completely before removing it from the pan. This will help it set nicely, and here's what you should have when your cake is ready. The cake should be firm and slightly golden on top. And for the final touch, I'm adding some sweetened coconut flakes and Trilogy health seeds, that's the flax, chia and hemp, for a little extra crunch and nutrition. But feel free to use any healthy toppings you like. And here is the final result, guys. A soft, sweet oat and carrot cake that's both delicious and healthy. Perfect for those of you on a diet or anyone who just wants a healthier dessert option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time.